Hello stock watchers and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm your host Cathy Rankin, and for Friday, April 18th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news are brought to you by Hybrid Technologies Incorporated. Hybrid Technologies is committed to using its resources for the development and marketing of lithium-powered vehicles and products, as well as commercial and residential properties. The company has successfully converted scooters, bicycles, mopeds, motorcycles, cars, and homes into zero-emission lithium-powered vehicles and facilities. Interesting. Now let's get into our headline news from Thursday. The souring job market and rising costs of the usual teenage indulgences, such as a slice of pizza, a drive to the mall, and the hottest new jeans, are causing teens to do something they rarely do: be thrifty. Wall Street finished an erratic session mixed yesterday after an uneven batch of earnings reports made investors cautious about buying stocks. Disappointing economic readings added to the market's uneasiness a day after the big rally. So the markets opened this morning with the Dow up 1.22 points or 0.01%, the Nasdaq down 8.28 points or 0.35%, and the S&P 500 up 0.85 points or 0.06%. And now for a look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Small cap headlines are brought to you by SkyPostal Incorporated. SkyPostal is an international mail distribution company focused on delivering commercial mail and periodicals into the Latin American Caribbean region. Now, the company is one of the leading private mail networks in Latin America and handles mails from European postal administrations and major publishers. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight Actiga Corporation as our one to watch, closing at $1.82 with over 119,000 shares traded. Actiga Corporation is a leading pioneer in active gaming and full-motion video games, announcing today through its wholly-owned subsidiary Q Motions plans to unveil its next-generation fun fitness controller with a price point geared to mass-market distribution during the second half of 2008. Calypte Biomedical Corporation is up 40% with over 6 million shares traded. Calypte Biomedical Corporation shares were boosted recently on the news that the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization in India has given regulatory approval for CBMC's registration and marketing of its Aware Rapid test. Calypte Biomedical Corporation is a U.S.-based healthcare company focused on the development and commercialization of rapid testing products for sexually transmitted diseases. TravelStar Incorporated is up 17% with over 85,000 shares traded. TravelStar announced the February launch of its beta test of TravelStar.com, a social networking site for passionate leisure travelers. The new site will combine the most popular social networking features, enabling users to share vacation photos, read and write reviews, interact in traveler forums, and of course blog about their travel adventures. And that is it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks daily newsletter for the latest news on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily for you. And please be sure to see our disclaimer on the QualityStocks.net website. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you again Monday right here on the Quality Stocks Daily Report.